Low-profile oil and fuel filter canister sockets. 6.3536 of a millimeter sockets for use on oil and fuel filter canisters when replacing the lament. Use with 3/8 drive. For more information, check the main Lisle tool 13300 or 13650. Replacement part for Lisle tool 13300 or 13650. 36 mm low-profile filter socket. Removes and installs filters on 6-liter Ford diesel pickups. Works on 2017 to 2020 Duramax fuel filters. The low-profile socket fits both the 35 mm and 36 mm fuel and oil filters. The low-profile socket works in confined spaces. 3/8 drive. Not for use with an impact wrench. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Top reviews from the United States. Great set for the modern vehicle. Only needed one size but bought the kit anticipating more needs. Sure enough, my daughter's new car needs a different size. Glad I paid a bit more for the kit. Makes changing oil a breeze.